Hello students, welcome to the channel The Royal Chemistry, all about chemistry. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த சேனல்ல +2 பத்தின வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கேன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோல பார்க்க போறது யூனிட் 6 gaseous state class 11 ஓட டாபிக். யூனிட் 6 gaseous state 11th class 11 ஓட டாபிக். என்ன டாபிக் பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஐடியல் கேஸ் ஈக்குவேஷன் பார்க்கலாமா. ஐடியல் கேஸ் ஈக்குவேஷன். இந்த ஐடியல் கேஸ் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஸ்டடீஸ் பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து we need four variables. Four variables. What are the four variables? The four variables are 1 temperature, pressure, volume and number of moles. இந்த 4 variables கண்டிப்பா நமக்கு வேணும். So and the relationships were governed by the gas law. The relationships were governed by the gas law. So what are the gas laws we have? First one, Boyle's law. Boyle's law ல volume pressure relate பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. That is volume is inversely proportional to pressure. That is Boyle's law. Now Charles law. Next gas law is Charles law. Charles law la volume temperature relate பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. They are directly proportional. And next one is Avogadro's law. So in Avogadro's law volume number of moles ஓட relate பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Directly proportional. So these are the three laws I am going to relate to get the ideal gas equation. So நான் இந்த மூணு ஈக்குவேஷனை கம்பைன் பண்ணி ஒரு ஜெனரல் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொண்டு வர போறேன். அந்த ஈக்குவேஷனை பார்க்கலாமா? So அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் எல்லா பிசிக்கல் பிஹேவியர் ஆஃப் கேஸஸையும் நமக்கு டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணும். So அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் என்ன? So first one இதுல எல்லா டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கு. வால்யூம் வால்யூம் வால்யூம். So take that volume first. Okay. First they are directly proportional to ரெண்டு விஷயம் இருக்குல்ல, directly proportional to number of moles and temperature, inversely proportional to the pressure. That means volume is equal to removing proportionality by using a proportional constant R, nRT by P. Okay, so that is V is equal to nRT by P. So this R is called as proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Okay, or else you can say this as an universal gas constant. It is otherwise named as, R is named as universal gas constant. Okay, so which is a universal gas constant? R. So from this equation we can get PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. That is called as ideal gas equation, which describes all the physical properties of the gases. PV is equal to nRT. We already know that pressure is expressed in many different values. Pressure is expressed in many different values. So it is very important to know the value of the gas constant in different units. So நம்ம பிரஷருக்கு எப்படி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் யூனிட்ஸ் இருக்குதோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம R வேல்யூ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் யூனிட்ஸுக்கு கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் I'm going to explain now how to calculate the R values. How to calculate R values. How to calculate R values. So calculate R values. Calculate R values using different units. Using different units in the pressure. Now let's see the first formula. I will write it again here. PV is equal to nRT. That means R is equal to, so PV by NT. PV by NT. So this is the formula needed for the calculation of R values. So let's see the first condition, number 1. So in first R value, for calculating the R value, the first one is pressure is given in 1 atmosphere. N value is given in 1 mole and temperature is given in the form of 273.15 Kelvin. What is the volume given here? Volume is equal to 22.414 decimeter cube. Calculate R value for this. For the formula is R is equal to PV by NT. So substitute pressure, volume and number of moles and temperature here. So pressure is 1 atmosphere into volume is 22.414 decimeter cube divided by here 1 mole. Number of mole is 1 mole into 273.15 Kelvin. So then what we will get? R value is equal to 0.0821 decimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So if you take a pressure in terms of 1 atmosphere, R value will be 0.0821, that is decimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Got it, children? So this is the R value if you take pressure in terms of atmosphere. Now I'll take condition number 2. So in condition number 2, pressure is in terms of Pascal. Okay, let's see now. Condition number 2. Condition number 2, pressure is given in the form of 10 power 5 Pascal. 10 power 5 Pascal. So that is N is equal to 1 mole. Volume is equal to 22.71 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Temperature is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. Now formula for finding out R value. R is equal to PV by NT. So substitute these values of pressure and volume and temperature. So that is R is equal to 10 power 5 Pascal. 10 power 5 Pascal into 22.71 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube divided by 1 mole, that is 1 mole into 273.15 Kelvin. So what's the answer I'm getting for R value? Here 10 power 5, 10 power minus 3. So I'm getting 10 power 2 into 22.7 divided by 1 into 273.15. So I'm getting the answer is 0.08314 into 10 to the power 2 Pascal meter cube per Kelvin per mole. Got it? So what's the R value finally? I'm getting R value as R is equal to 8.314 Pascal meter cube per Kelvin per mole. Okay, this is the R value if you substitute pressure in terms of Pascal. Okay, let's see condition number 3. The condition number 3, what I given here is condition number 3, pressure in terms of bar. So it's simple. Pressure in terms of bar, pressure is equal to 1 bar. Number of mole is equal to 1 mole. Temperature is equal to 273 Kelvin. Volume is equal to 22.7 liter. Substitute in R value. R is equal to, what's the formula? PV by NT. So let's substitute R is equal to PV by NT. Pressure in terms of bar. So R is equal to 1 bar into 22.7 liter divided by 1 mole into 273 Kelvin. Okay children, after substituting these values, you are getting 0.083 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so what is the R value here? R is equal to 0.083 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. So that's the answer if the pressure is in the bar, unit of bar. So the answer for R value is 0.0831. Okay, now let's see the next one. That is, the condition is now in SI unit. Shall we go? SI unit. That is condition number 4. That is how to calculate pressure in SI unit. Pressure is equal to, we know that, force by area. Force by area. What is the unit of force? Newton. Unit of force is Newton. So now, what is the unit of area? Meter square. So what is the unit of pressure then? That is equal to Newton per meter square. Okay, so pressure is in Newton meter square. That is, the relation is here is 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 101325 Newton per meter square. That is the relation between 1 atmosphere. That is equal to 101325 Pascal. Okay, got it? So now I am going to substitute this unit pressure with this unit. Okay, let me do the calculation with that pressure term. So R is equal to 101325 Newton per meter square into 22.4 into 10 to the power 3 meter cube. So whole divided by, now 1 mole, that is N is 1 mole into temperature 273 Kelvin. Got it? So now after calculating all these things, you'll get R is equal to 8.314 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. So meter cube, meter power minus 2 will get meter only. Okay. So that's why we are getting R value like this. So now what is the final R value for this one? R is equal to 8.314 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. Okay children. So this is the answer if you have a pressure in the Newton meter. Okay. So this is about SI unit, pressure in the Newton meter. We are getting R value as 8.314 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. Now let us see that relationship between Joule and the Newton meter. Okay. So now the Newton meter is equal to Joule. That is the relation. So it's very simple. What is the unit for R in Newton meter? R is equal to 8.314 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so now I want to convert this into Joule. So what's the relation? Both are equal. So we can write R is equal to 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. Am I right? So R is equal to 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. Got it children? Now next one is about what's the relationship between Joule and calories. Shall I? Yes. So now the condition is 5. Now here R value is in Joule is 8.314 Joule per Kelvin per mole. I am going to convert this Joule into calories. So what's the relation between Joule and the calories? Joule and the calories. The relationship is 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 Joule. Got it? 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. So what we should do for getting this value? R is equal to 8.314. We have to divide the value by the joule, 4.184. Now it becomes calories per Kelvin per mole. So what will be the answer if you divide 8.314 by 4.184? So divide பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? So இப்போ நம்ம divide பண்ணும்போது நம்மளோட R value என்ன கிடைக்குதுன்னா R value is equal to we are getting 1.987 calories per Kelvin per mole. இதுதான் நம்மளோட R value, universal constant R இருக்குல்லையா அதோட calories value. Okay, calories per Kelvin per mole. Got it? So joule value 8.314, calories joule relation 4.184. So 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. So if you divide this joule value by 4.184, you'll get calories. That is nothing but 1.987. What is the next condition here is? That is condition number 6. So here that is another relationship I'm going to tell you that between liter and centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. At the same time, that is equal to 1 decimeter cube. Okay, then now what is the unit of R if it is in the liter atmosphere? We already calculated that. R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Very good. அதேதான் சரிங்களா எழுதிட்டோமா அடுத்தது இந்த லிட்டர் அட்மாஸ்பியருக்கு பதிலாக சென்டிமீட்டர் கியூப் நம்ம சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும் ஸோ R is equal to 0.0821 into 1000 centimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. சரி இப்போ இந்த 1000 இதை நீங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் R is equal to 82.1 centimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. கிடைச்சிருச்சா so இதுதான் உங்களோட ஆன்சர் so what is the R value if it is in centimeter cube 82.1 centimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So இன்னும் ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருக்கு அதையும் பார்த்துடலாம் so another relationship is joule with ergs. Joule with erg. So what is the relation between joule and the erg? That is about 7th one. The relationship is now 7. Now the pointer here is 1 joule is equal to, that is 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 ergs. Erg is an unit. Okay, 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 erg. Already we know that R value in joule. Am I right? R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so now that is the R value in joule. I want to convert into erg. What I should do? That is, you have to multiply this one 10 power 7. So I'll get R is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power 7 ergs per Kelvin per mole. So that is the R value in ergs. So totally we have 7 R values for the different units. Let's see one by one. What are the 7 we have studied till now? Collectively I'm going to give now. Okay. So let's see now. The first R value is, okay, the first R value what we got it is, first one R value is 0.0821 decimeter cube, that is atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Say it once, நீங்களும் சொல்லி பாருங்க உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். ஓகே, செகண்ட் ஒன் என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா R வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், அது பாஸ்கல்ல கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். அது என்னது 8.314 பாஸ்கல் மீட்டர் கியூப் பெர் கெல்வின் பெர் மோல். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் தேர்ட் ஒன். தேர்ட் ஒன்ல R is equal to 0.083 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. பார்த்துட்டீங்களா? So 3 decimeter cube, Pascal, liter. Now next one is about Newton meter. Fourth one, R value is equal to, fourth one is 8.314 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. Okay. So now the fifth one, what I'm going to write here is fifth one. The fifth one, R value is in joule. That is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. So what is the sixth value here? The sixth value is, about R value is, R is equal to 1.987 calories per Kelvin per mole. Okay. So then seventh value, what is the seventh value here is, the seventh one is R is equal to 82.1 centimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. So it's very easy to learn. Just try, okay, you will easily learn this. It will be useful for calculations related to the problems in the gaseous state. Okay, so now last one is the eighth one. R is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power 7 x per Kelvin per mole. Okay. இப்போ யூனிட்ஸ் திருப்பி பாருங்க. R value 0.0821 decimeter cube, 8.314 in Pascal, 0.083 in lit, that is bar, 8.314 in that Newton meter, 8.314 in joule, 1.987 R value in calories, 82.1 in centimeter cube, 8.314 10 to the power 7 x. So these are the different R values in different units. Okay, hope you will understand this video, and you can please do like, share and comment, and then subscribe to my videos. ஓகே, ஸோ அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோ வேணுன்னா உங்கள் பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக வந்துடும். ஸோ இதை நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கோம், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங். தேங்க்யூ.